Morning, fellas. Sorry I didn't have time to do the calculation last night, but can't sleep, so time check 3:09 in the morning, February 15. So I've written down the calculation formula first. This is for grass calculation. Okay, simple formula. Grass cover minus desired residual equals available kilogram dry matter per hectare. So that one there goes down there, divided 10,000 square meter, which is 1 hectare, equals kilogram dry matter per square meter. Next step is your demand per stock unit divided by kilogram dry matter per square meter. That's gonna be your square meter per stock unit. One stock unit is 1 cow. Square meter per stock unit times total stock unit is your total square meter per break. It's supposed to be S. Okay, now square meter per break divided by width of the paddock equals length. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some details in it. So for example, stock unit, total stock unit equals to 500 cows. Okay, paddock width equals, let's say, 100 meters. If your paddock is square, it's pretty easy to know the, for example, side from one side to another. All you gotta do is meter wheel it, or step it out and say if it is 100 meter wide, it's 100 meter wide. But if your paddock is like this, it's gonna be hard because you're gonna need to know as you progress along towards the back of the paddock. For example, this is the front, then you're gonna have to know the distance between that and that, and then between that and that one as you go along. But if your paddock is square, then all the way to the back, it's pretty easy to know what's the measurement from there to there is equivalent to the same one in the back. But when you have something like this, then you're gonna know, you gotta have to have a precise calculation tools to know. Maybe some pond has the app that you're gonna point from one side to another side and gives you the width of the paddock. Okay, so we're gonna put demand. This depends on the type of year. Let's say demand is per stock unit equals 18 kilograms. Okay, so again, that depends on the time of year. What else do we need? 1 hectare equivalent to 10,000 square meter. Alright, let's do this. Alright, residual. Let's say desired residual because we want 1500. That's pretty much what they want anyway. Normally this demand per stock unit during winter is very low, and it depends of how much supplement you have in your farm. So let's just say we're looking for 18 kilos. Okay, alright, let's do the first one, grass cover minus residual. So let's say we get grass cover. For example, you did your pasture walk and you have a grass cover of, say, maybe 2800. Okay, so let's do the first step. 2800 minus residual, which is 1500. So let's do that here. 2800 minus 1500 equals 1300. Okay, alright, next step, dang it, is to get that's now our available kilogram dry matter per hectare. So we're gonna divide that with 10,000 square meter, which is 0.13, but let's do that anyway. 1,300 divided by 10,000 equals, so 1,300 divided 10,000 equals 0.13. So 0.13. Next is your demand per stock unit, which is 18 kilos. Okay, so we're gonna go 18 divided by our kilogram dry matter per square meter, which is 0.13, equals 18 divided by 0.13 equals 138.46. Okay, so we're gonna go 138.46. So what's that one? And that's the square meter per stock unit. Okay, and then next step is square meter per stock unit times total stock unit times, so we got 138.46 times total stock unit is 500 cows. 500. Let's do that. 138.46 times 500 equals 69,230. Okay. Alright, yeah. 69,230. 69,230. That's your total square meter per break. Okay. And then next step is we're gonna divide that with the width. So 69,230 divided by 100, so which is that one there, your paddock width. So 69,230 divided by 100 equals 692 divided by 100 meters equals 692 meters per break. Okay. Alright, so if your paddock is 600-meter long, then you are 92 meters short. Okay, now we're gonna have to check if our calculation is correct. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna decode this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go total stock unit. This is how you recheck your calculation. Okay, if your calculation is correct, so there's a formula to do this. This is my formula. So let's go total stock unit. Total stock unit times feed demand. And then equals total feed demand equals total feed demand. And then the next step is total feed demand divided by available kilogram dry matter per hectare. Total, so that's feed demand divided by available kilogram dry matter per hectare. Kg dm per ha. Okay, then next step is area needed. So this become your area needed. So next is area needed. Forgive me, my brain's a little bit slow at the moment. Times 10,000, which is 1 hectare, divided by the length of the paddock, which is, so that's becoming your, this is gonna be your length, 600 92 meters. Okay, let's do it. So total stock units 500. We got 500, which is down, times speed demand 18 kilos equals 9,000. Okay, 500 cows times speed demand 18 equals, god damn it, that looks horrible, 9,000. Alright, next step is total feed demand. Now this is now our total feed demand. So 9,000 divided by available kilogram dry matter per hectare. Okay, so it says 1,300. Okay, divided by 1,300 equals